We've got another box to open up. This one is really, really exciting. Stick around, we'll show you what's in it. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host, Josh, A4WX. Appreciate you being here. Before we get into this unboxing, which I think you're going to get excited about, today's video is brought to you by Better Safe Radio. BetterSafeRadio.com, great source for ham and GMRS equipment. They've also got antennas, too. This is my favorite radio that Better Safe Radio offers. This is the Ocean. I think some people pronounce it Ocean, but it's the Ocean Waxon, whatever you want to call it, UG 9PX. I hope I'm getting those numbers right. Fantastic radio. This one's particularly made for ham, but they've got a similar model that'll do GMRS. But this thing works phenomenally. I love this radio, and I think you will too. Check out the link in the description for Better Safe Radio, and if you use my coupon code AA4WX7, you're going to get 7% off any purchase greater than $100. So that's BetterSafeRadio.com. Thanks to them for being part of the HamShackTV family. Now, the whole reason you're here, we got this beautiful box. This is one that I've been eyeballing for a while. This came from B&H Photo in New York City. I'm a big fan of them for production equipment, but we're going to open this up and see what we got here. Yes, sir, it is exactly the box that I thought it was. Ladies and gentlemen, we're taking the HamFest coverage and the event coverage to the next level. You've heard me fuss about my gimbal. No longer going to be a problem. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This is a gimbal and camera in one. So let's open it up and take a look. We'll put the box out of the way here. This is so exciting. I've been wanting one of these forever. A couple of my favorite non-ham radio YouTubers, Adam the Woo and Jacob the Carpetbagger. You can go check out their channels. One is the Daily Woo. The other one is the Carpetbagger. I think you'll like what you find. It's just basically exploring and traveling videos. We're just taking the cellophane off of this. But they both use this camera. And never heard a single complaint from them. Easy tear-off tabs to open it up, so no real struggle opening it up. Popping the box. Silica! Everybody's excited about silica, right? No, who cares? So, first thing we pull out is we have a bag here of some sort. I'm going to pull the bag off. So DJI, when you think of DJI, most of the time you think about drones. That's the big thing that they offer. But they offer a lot of photography equipment, things like that. So we got this opened up, and yes, sir, right here it is. This is nice. They've already got it in the box for you. But here you go. This is the base of the device right here. Okay, let's see what happens. So it says if I rotate the screen, it will power on. So I just rotated the screen. Oh, yeah, that sounds good. There it is. There it is, folks. So I do have to do an activation for it. But the gimbal, you can see the gimbal's already working just fine. See that? That's fantastic. This thing doesn't weigh anything either. We'll be able to shoot 4K video. We'll be able to do a lot of different things. So super excited about this. I'm going to set it up, and then we'll go through the rest of the bag. Be right back. Okay, flashing forward a little bit. If you are in the process of setting this up while you watch this video, give you a little advice. Okay, so you got a QR code that's going to appear on your screen. Take your cell phone, scan that QR code, and follow the instructions. It's going to have you download an app and agree to the terms and conditions. Right now, well, it's going to ask you all the typical things anything asks you to do. And perfect. And it searched out, found the Osmo right on its own. I'm connecting to it. Let's see what happens. So it's asking me about a code. This is also asking me about a code. The codes match, so I'm going to go accept. And let's see what happens. Terms of use again. Now it's telling me to activate, so I need to allow access. And then I'm going to hit next. And I need to log in with my DJI account. Shouldn't be too terribly hard. Set the gimbal down for just a minute here. I don't know if this will work or not. As far as the Apple ID goes, I don't remember what success. Okay, it's login successful. All right, there you go. Confirm account info. It's activating the gimbal right now. Confirming activation with server. Here it goes. I don't want to participate in a questionnaire. All right, activation successful. I'm going to click get started. It's going to go through a bunch of crap that it wants you to know to familiarize yourself with it. It's downloading firmware. We're 35% in, 37, 38. So I can, while that's downloading, I can show you that the gimbal has a beautiful picture on it. Absolutely beautiful picture. And I can turn the gimbal as I see fit. Up and down, side to side. We're 50% done with the install. This is so cool, y'all. I'm nerded out with this thing. This is just awesome. Oh, that's wonderful. Look how fast that turns. So, let's say here I am. I'm talking to the camera. Hey, here we are at Huntsville HamFest, blah, blah, blah. And then I want to start touring. All I got to do is go like that. Boom, the camera turns instantly that fast. That is awesome, y'all. Absolutely awesome. Firmware is still going. Oh, it's wanting me to install the firmware. That's okay. Guys, this is an exciting day, an exciting step in HamShackTV. What a beautiful picture on this camera. And you can take a look here, and it may be blurry for you guys, but I can change the frame rate, the aspect ratio, all that good stuff. This is fantastic. And another thing I can do, I can switch it instantly. Wait a minute. No, it didn't. I thought it did. I misunderstood. Supposedly there's a way you can turn it to flip to do the vertical mode. I don't know. But these are exciting times, y'all. While that's still uploading and doing its thing, I'm going to show you what else is in the bag here. So we've got the DJI microphone. So we'll get you best quality audio. Oops. Not quite sure what that. I think this is the spare battery. I think that's the spare battery. Because I did get the creator kit, so it's a little bit extra. And then this is a tripod. Just a little tripod that you can set on the bottom of it, which is awesome. This is I think this is the microphone transmitter or something like that. I'll have to dive into it. You got charging cable. You got a dead cat for your lav. You got an ND filter, I believe that is. Charging cable. What do you think of my little purse? Not sure what this is. There's a little tab here. It says DJI. So really cool stuff, guys. I am really excited to continue to take us into the next level with our production here on HamShackTV. I will do a side-by-side demonstration of these cameras at a later date. I got some more stuff here in the box. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is a case of some sort. Interesting. Interesting, guys. So if you are interested in getting a DJI Osmo Pocket 3, you can do that. I believe I have those available on Amazon. I will check, and if I do have them available on Amazon, you can see the link down in the description down below. So that's it, guys. Just wanted to share this exciting new news for you. I've got a lot to learn about this to make sure I know how it operates the best. It's got multiple microphones on it, so really cool stuff. Thanks for watching. Guys, I appreciate your support. We do have a special fundraiser in progress right now. This camper situation's a nightmare, guys. GoFundMe link is in the description down below, and I hate asking for donations, but this thing is killing me financially. So if you feel so inclined to donate, go check out the GoFundMe down in the link down in the description. Also, some people aren't comfortable with GoFundMe, so I do have PayPal and Venmo available too. I'm looking to raise $1,000 to help me offset some of these costs this thing's cost me. Thanks again, guys. Appreciate your support. 73's AA4WX WSEB 693.